At Pantaloon Saima 2019 in Doha, we have with us someone who has made probably the most striking appearance on the red carpet. You're looking ravishing in your red dress.
Thank you so much. So do you.
Thank you very much. So, how do you feel being a part of Saima once again? Are you excited about this evening?
You're asking me once again. This is the first time I'm attending SIMA, and I'm this is my first time. Got nominated for RX100 as a debutant. So yeah, looking forward for a great night, and fingers crossed. I hope I'm gonna win it.
But I think even like at the Saima press release and the short film awards, you made quite an appearance there as well, right?
Yeah, no. This is debut again.
Okay, all right.
Apart from this, I'm attending many awards nowadays because people are greeting me with awards, and I'm really happy.
That's wonderful. So now that you're here for the Telugu and the Kannada awards, who are you most looking forward to? This is just like a fangirl moment. Who are you looking forward to meet?
That's a bit controversial, huh? That's a bit
Okay, but no, just as like that little girl who you would have admired when you were little.
girl. Then he would be old only now. Come on, ask me with same age.
Okay, same age.
Prabhas, but he's not coming here. One guy's there, Vijay Devarkonda. That's it.
Ooh, nice. So out of all these Vijay Deverakonda songs that we've listened to and we've all gone gaga over, which has been your favorite?
There's one song, Inke 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 Kavali, that I really like it. Though I don't understand it much, but yes, the rhythm, the lyrics, everything, like it's a beautiful song.
Okay, I'm sure all of you are going to agree with me. Don't you think she looks like the Saima award? Like, I swear, you look like an award yourself. Is this like something you planned?
No, I didn't plan it, but thanks. I don't know whether that's a compliment or...
Of course, you're looking lovely.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So how long did it take for you to like decide on this look and say this is what is going to be my red carpet appearance?
Do you want me to be diplomatic or you want me to tell you the truth?
Honest.
The honest opinion is it takes a lot to get ready for the red carpet. I can't wait to like change, and actually the truth is I can't wait to change and get into my jammies. But it did take a lot of time. I think it took more than like 2.5 hours.
But I think it's totally worth it. I think all of us are having such a great time looking at you. You're looking lovely. And if you could just tell us in 2019, considering this is Saima and all the four South Indian industries coming together, what was that? What was the music that you probably enjoyed? Like it could be from any language. On your playlist, your top favorite.
I have two actually. They're both releases from this year actually. One is Rowdy Baby. It's something. It's so like energetic. Especially when you're like down and out and you're like you just want to hear like this energetic song. I think that's amazing. And there's a lovely song in Kannada as well called Shane Top, which I'm actually performing for tonight.
Oh, that's nice.
Chance.
Okay.
So I'm really super excited to.
Yeah. Would you like to sing a couple of lines from any of these songs for us, please? Pretty please.
I actually don't know the exact lyrics, but okay. Not the Kannada one. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try the one which I'm actually performing for. The other one, not the one I like.
Nah.
So yeah. So it's na 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 na. No, it's actually like a belly dancing track. So it's quite like that. It has a belly track to it. So it's like na 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 na. You want to dance?
No. I'm good. I just want to listen to you sing.
Okay, I think that's enough for now.
Yeah, but that's good.